Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Monster move today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume. Majority of the volume came in this afternoon, and I guess now that I stop and think about it, given today is Friday, so not only did the volume come in strong at the end of the day, came in strong at the end of the week. So definitely some updates need to be done. I did do this one a couple of times this week. That is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's movement, both these lines, sure, they still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant. So I'm going to use them for more of the nearer term levels just so we don't have lines all over the places. I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's so much clutter. But first level we'll just start off with is resistance, just because it's very straightforward. Nothing fancy or complicated behind it at all, other than the fact that during the final 30 minutes of the day, the price and party finally stopped up there at 565. So 565 will be public enemy number one going into next week. So keep a close eye on that. But other than that, yeah, pretty straightforward, like I said, in the resistance department. What about levels of support? Going into Monday, the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above $5.15. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $5.15, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here I am defining as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 515 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls 100% own the chart. So overall, great movement today, great volume. We'll see if this momentum can continue to be built next week or not.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.